So 5.4 Triton 3 valve spark plug change. What I did was disassemble the ECU. I just moved these wires aside, then the battery is off. You'll see in the video later. Of course, I disassembled this big plastic piece as well, and then here there is a hose missing to here, so that's gone for better access. And what else? The hose from here, actually you'll see this connector or the pipe hose, whatever, to here. So this guy is gone, and then I needed more room for the third and fourth plug on, actually the 7 and 8, for better access, so I just moved this aside a little bit too. It's originally here. And power steering reservoir is gone, so I had more leverage for the breaker bar, and that's about it. Yeah, so spark plugs are swapped out, and we'll see. Next time we'll inspect cylinders, and then I'm gonna try to put this back together and fire it up.